Hello guys, here is I have Moto G 5G 2024 and this phone is problem is not charging. Let me plug it on charge. You can see it's not charging, it's only 3% charge. Let me try like other side of the charger. It's not charging, it's only 3% charge, and I'm gonna show you how to fix the charging port. So first we're gonna remove this back cover. I need to apply heat on all side, and then we're gonna remove this back cover. Let me hit a little bit more, and then we're gonna lift it up with this knife. Just remove slowly all the side, and now we need to apply more heat on that side so we can remove easily. Also, we're gonna remove. You have to apply heat on camera side. Don't do not heat on top of the camera, just only side. You can see easy to come out. You already remove this back cover. This is plastic, so you don't have to worry about it lifting up. It's not going to break. And now we're gonna remove this SIM card tray, and now we're gonna remove this all screw. This all screw are same, all are star screw. So it's mix it up. The screw is not gonna be a problem. And there is two kind charging port. One is with the logic board, and one is only just port. So only port, if you replace, you need to soldering. If you don't know how to soldering, you can change with the logic board. And you can find both charging port on eBay and Amazon. So I'm going to show you the logic board one today, and we already removed this all screw. There is some screw is stuck, but I already unscrewed it, so we can remove this back housing. It's not going to be stuck with this screw, and remove the left side. Now you're going to remove this back housing on right side. Just careful on forward on side, and do not lift it up all the way this back housing, because there is fingerprint ribbon. We want to lift it. Just slowly lift it up and disconnect this fingerprint ribbon. So you don't want to rotate that fingerprint ribbon. Now we're gonna disconnect the battery connection. This is the battery connection we disconnected, and we don't need to replace the motherboard or remove motherboard. We just remove the old charging port on there. First we're gonna remove this speaker, and then we're gonna remove this antenna connection and charging port connection. And there is two antenna connection there. We have to remove it. That one is white, one is black. And now we're gonna separate the charging port. You can see this the whole with the logic board, the charging port. We're gonna replace the whole thing, and you can change easy to that because you don't need any soldering. And here is the new charging port, and this rubber piece we're gonna take it from back previous charging port, and we're gonna install now new charging port here. It's very easy. Just keep it from charging port connection side, then just keep it on center. It's very easy. Now we connect charging port connection and antenna connection, and there is two antenna connection. We're gonna connect with both. First there is two line, and we just press it down. We already installed this antenna connection and charging port connection, everything. Now we're gonna put it back speaker, and we all set here. Now we're gonna put it back this battery connection again. Then we're gonna install the back housing. First we're gonna connect fingerprint ribbon connection. Then we're gonna put back the back housing. Just press it down all side. There is some lock, just we have to press it down so it's going to attach with the frame. And there is the all screw, you have to put it back. Some of them we remove it, some of them is stuck on housing, we just screw back. And top side also put back all screw. After that we're gonna check, make sure it's charging. I didn't check before I screw it because I know it's gonna charge, because it's the only problem is charging port. And put it back this SIM card tray. Now I'm gonna check, make sure it's charging. Connect the charger. Yes, you can see it's charging. It was 3%, now it's 4%. It show up on battery. We're gonna turn on the phone and wait 1 or 2 minutes. Make sure the charge going up. This is turning on after 2 minutes. Yeah, you can hear it charging. Now we're gonna wait like 1 or 2 minutes. See, make sure charge going up after 2 minutes. You can see it's now 5% charge. Yeah, here is 5% charge now. So charge going up. Problem is fixed. Now we're gonna put it back this back cover. There is some previous glue also there, back cover. So whatever side is no glue, we're gonna put it back some extra glue there. Previous glue also very good. It's very sticky, so we don't need to put the all side. Just whatever is no glue on it, we just apply some glue there. And we're gonna wait 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, when it's a little bit dry the glue, then we're gonna install this back cover. So it's very easy to stick you with the frame. You can see like it's easy to attach with the frame. And just press it down all side. And you can see it's very easy to replace the charging port. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.